Well, I've come down to the concrete stretch, get harassed by the swans again. Hopefully I don't get my gear pulled in for the fourth time. Caught nothing up the bridge there, no taps, no nothing. So I thought over the last couple of hours I've come down here. Got one rod out at the moment, I may put another rod out, like. I've got fader out, treble maggot, size 16. We'll see. Come down here for the grayling for the last couple of hours, so hopefully I might get one out. Had a good feeling about the bridge, but we'll see.